Greetings to everyone. The topic of our video today pertains to the monumental shutdown of the Large Hadron Collider at CERN on June 29, 2026. As it powers down its final physics run and enters long shutdown 3, known as LS3, to prepare for its successor, the High Luminosity LHC or High Lumi LHC, which will begin operations in 2030. After first circulating beams in September 2008 and delivering proton collisions from 2009 in its 27-kilometer underground ring spanning France and Switzerland, the collider achieved immortality in 2012 when the Atlas and CMS experiments announced the discovery of the Higgs boson on the 4th July. CERN Director for Accelerators and Technology Oliver Bruning put it best. The LHC has exceeded every expectation. For nearly 2 decades, it has transformed our understanding of the universe and inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and citizens around the world. Today, we say goodbye to the LHC as we have known it, while preparing to welcome its successor, the High Lumi LHC, which will extend this scientific adventure far into the future. During LS3, which runs until 2030 with the accelerator complex restarting gradually from 2028, engineers and technicians will dismantle 2 kilometers of magnets and components in the LHC and replace them with new equipment while overhauling the Atlas and CMS detectors with all-silicon tracking systems containing billions of readout channels, timing detectors with resolutions of a few tens of picoseconds, and calorimeter systems operating at megahertz rates to handle 140 to 200 proton-proton collisions per bunch crossing, compared to around 60 in the last run, and more than 5 billion interactions every second. This tenfold increase in luminosity will allow researchers to gather an astonishing 380 million Higgs boson events, opening the door to precision studies and searches for new phenomena beyond the standard model, including potential discoveries about dark matter and the puzzling absence of antimatter in the observable universe. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, hype, share, and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.